Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. Today I have an exciting video. I'm actually going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Winter box. It is a seasonal subscription box. This is actually my first one. If you guys have been subscribed for a while, you've seen that I actually opened 2 starter boxes. But this is the actual big box that you get if you subscribe for the seasonal, which is $50 a month. But for my first box, I got it for $40, and I also got a free gift with it. And so we're just gonna open it. I did already open the box and stuff just so that it wouldn't take too much time in the video, but I'm actually super excited. If you want to see what's in the video, just in the box, just keep watching. All right, so this is what the box looks like. It's super heavy, super duper heavy. So it opens, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It opens like this. It comes with, let's not show everything. It comes with a name code if somebody wants to get it and get a discount. It comes with a, what is this? HelloFresh gift card, $90. And it also comes with the FabFitFun magazine. And I guess I've seen it other past FabFitFun reviews that it shows you what comes in it and how much it costs. So we will use this so I can say how much it costs. It's wrapped like this. I actually ripped the thing on accident. Let me move it to this side. It's literally so heavy, guys, so heavy. I was not expecting it to be heavy. And this showed up out of nowhere last night. It was literally 10 at night. I was about to go to bed and I looked out my door for some reason because the bell went to see the Christmas tree, which is downstairs. So I went to a store, I looked out the door and I was like, oh my god, there's a box. I was like, it's from my FabFitFun. Okay, anyways. So a free gift I got was this. It is the Tardiest Pro Remix. I need to put this box somewhere else. It's so freaking heavy, guys. Let's put this down here. So this was a free gift. I used the code TART to get it. Let's open it. I have not looked at it. So it's like I said, the Tardiest Pro Remix. I haven't heard a lot about this palette. The back is gold. But, ooh, it's pretty. So that's what it looks like. There's some fun colors, a lot of shimmers. A lot of shimmers, which is great because I have a lot of matte shadows. Let me swatch one. So, wow. Wow, I've never had Tarte. I've never owned a Tarte product. I think I actually owned one lip gloss and it was on sale. Let's do this green. Let's see how that looks. Oh, wow. And like I said, I haven't heard a lot about this palette, which is surprising. Cause it's pretty good. Oh wow. Sorry, I'm it's black with a purple shift. Do you see that? That's dope. I can't wait to use this palette. So yeah, that's the Tardiest Pro Remix palette that I got for free. This is not part of the regular box. You actually do need to put in a code to get this palette if you're a first time subscriber. I know they have different ones, different codes you can use to get different free stuff from different companies. But I just happened to see the Tarte one. I was like, oh, I want a Tarte palette because I've never owned a Tarte palette before. So look at those colors. Okay, onto the box, onto the box. The first thing I see is this magic eraser. I've had samples of this before, but I've never owned an actual magic eraser. Let's get that magazine so we can actually see the prices. So the magic eraser, I think it's $20 or something like that. Let's see. Let's see. It is so yeah, it's $20. Basically, you use this to remove your makeup. You just soak in water, a lot of water, I heard, and then you wipe it up, your makeup off. You don't need oils and stuff to wipe off your makeup. So, magic eraser. Sorry if it gets dark when I put something in front of the camera. Next thing I got was the Ernal Laszlo, New York Exfoliating and Detox Pure Cleansing Clay Mask. So I got this clay mask. I actually chose this as one of my customizations. And that is worth Remember, I only spent $40 for this box altogether. So let's see. That is worth $48 for that clay mask. So I know the Tarte palette retails for $50. So literally, we're already almost at 100 with just 2 items. No, we're over 100 because I got the magic eraser. So over $100 and I only paid $40. Like, that's a good deal. I don't know if they have like invite codes for FabFitFun. Like, oh, if you invite a friend, blah, 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 they'll get a discount. But if they do, I'll leave a link down below. I'm not affiliated with FabFitFun. Like, this is not sponsored. So I don't know if they have like a link, just like a normal link you can share for like people to get discounts. But if they do, I'll leave it in the description so you guys could try it out if you want to. Alright, so the next thing I see is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler by Dry Bar. Super pretty. So it's supposed to detangle your hair and you can prep your hair for when you straighten it. So that is $23 for that. The next thing I got, which was a customization, I remember, is the Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodeo. So that's what it looks like. And that is, I don't know how much that costs. Let's see. That is $55, guys. And there's like a lot of different customizations. I mean, if you get like the biggest box, you could like, not biggest box, but like biggest membership, you could customize like way more, but I didn't choose the biggest membership. I just chose the normal subscription one, which is like $50 a month. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Ahava Dead Sea Natural Sea Bath Salts. So that's what it looks like. Let's see how much it costs. It costs, I don't see it. Huh. I actually don't see it. It's not on here, which is weird, but I'm pretty sure it's like probably like maybe $15 or something. I don't know. Because you would either get the sea salt or the coffee scrub. And the coffee scrub is like, I think like, where is it? I keep losing it. It's like $17, so it's probably around the same price. But yeah, so that's, I don't use bath salts, so I'm gonna give it to my future mother-in-law. The next thing I'm pulling out is the, I don't want to say this wrong because it'll be so horrible. Kukui Somatology Yoga Common Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So that's what that looks like. And that is, let's see, that's $40. $40 for like a hand and body wash? That's kind of crazy. It smells like clean, like you know, like the, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe like cactus or something is what it smells like. I don't know, it smells nice, but $40? I mean, if you got the money, all you. Next thing I got, which I'm actually super excited for, is a beret. I think it's just like a little purse, like a body purse, body clutch. My face gets super dark when I put stuff in front of the camera, but let's see how much that costs. That is, let's see, $18. I like it. I was thinking maybe if I could try to wear it as a, what's that thing called? The name of that fanny pack. If I can try to wear it like that, I don't know if I can, but if I can, it'd be good for when I go to the gym because I've been going to the gym every morning lately, so. Fanny pack. The last but not least, which was a customized item, you could choose what you want. Me, this is just screams me. This is the Unhide for Love Not Fur. It is a blanket, guys. Like, I heard they're actually really big. Oh, let me see how much it costs. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's see how much it costs. So it's 1B, so it is, okay, so it's the Unhide Little Marshmallow Blanket. $65. Well, this is my most expensive blanket I own now. Let's open it so I want to see inside it, see how big it is. Oh, $65. Ooh, it's soft, super soft. Whew. Don't drop. It's heavy. It's so heavy. I think this is what made the box so heavy, because like this thing is soft, but it is heavy. Try to rip it open. Let's see it. Open. So it's not real fur. Oh my god. It is huge, you guys. You guys can't even see how big it is. It's huge. Oh wow. And it's so heavy and so soft. Oh my god. This is my favorite item. Oh my god. I got some skincare in here, but this is it. This is with some hot cocoa and marshmallows. You like the little mini marshmallows? Watching some movies on Netflix. Oh, so soft. So that is, I think that's everything. I'm pretty positive that's everything. Yep, that's everything. So that was a FabFitFun Winter box. I love almost everything. The body and hand wash, especially for $40. I would never buy $40 hand wash, body wash. And I don't use Dead Sea salts. I don't use bath salts at all. But everything else is great. Like the Soft Glow I could have used this today. The primer, the Detangler Prep, the makeup eraser, the face mask, and the Tarte palette. All for $40. Like, I'm happy. And this blanket. This blanket is life. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. It's so soft. Alright, so I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more like unboxing videos of subscriptions, let me know down in the comments, because I don't know what you guys want to see, honestly. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. But yeah. Oh yeah, and the purse. I forgot about the purse. I like to, let me open it real quick. I know this video's getting long. Let me open it. It has this little card. Yeah, so they're like a workout company, I guess. It's called Veray. This is so cute, so tiny. This would be perfect for the gym. This would be perfect for the gym. But it is a little crossbody, I believe. It's not like made for the gym. Like, I'm pretty sure I could totally use this for the gym. Yeah, I'm gonna use this as a fanny pack. Because look, it starts off small, but you could like widen it. Just put it like on my, let's open it. It's so soft. This has this little fluffy thing on the inside. Yeah, oh, that's so cute. It even has like this little stretchy part on the inside and actually a little zipper part where you can, you know, put stuff. I'm gonna use this for the gym. So I've been going every morning. I've been losing weight. I already lost like 15-20 pounds, so yay for me. I know to a lot of people that's not a lot, but for me, I'm happy. So yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.